Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to discuss something very and often misunderstood, program signaling. If you've heard the term but still don't fully get what it is, how to use it, or if it even matters, this video is for you. Let's take it slow, keep things simple, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear strategy to make the most out of your signals. What is program signaling in simple words? Imagine this. You're in a room with 10,000 people, and you're all trying to get the attention of one person. Now imagine you have a small flag in your hand, and when you wave it, it tells that person, "Hey, I'm really interested in talking to you." That's exactly what program signaling is. Every year, residency programs get thousands of applications. Some programs get 4,000 or 5,000 applications for just a handful of positions. It's impossible for them to look at every single application in detail. So how do they decide which ones to open first? That's where signaling comes in. When you send a signal to a program, you're basically saying,
"Hey, I am very interested in your program. You're one of my top choices. Please take a closer look at my application."
And guess what? Many program directors actually do. They take signals seriously. They use them to prioritize which applications to review first. For international medical graduates, this is huge. Most of us don't have the advantage of a home residency program or U.S. medical school letters or connections. But a signal puts your name in front of the right eyes, even if they've never heard of your school. It helps level the playing field. It helps make your voice a little louder in a room full of noise. That's why program signaling is not just important, it's powerful. All right, so now that you know what signaling is and why it matters, let's talk numbers. How many signals do you actually get? Well, that depends on your specialty. Some specialties give just a few signals. Others give a lot more. And some even divide signals into two levels, like gold and silver, where gold means highest interest and silver means high interest. Let's go through them. Specialties with tiered signals, gold and silver. Anesthesiology gives you 5 gold signals and 10 silver signals. Dermatology gives you 3 gold and 25 silver. Diagnostic and interventional radiology offers 6 gold and 6 silver. Internal medicine gives 3 gold and 12 silver. What does that mean? Gold signals are your absolute top choices. Silver signals are still strong but slightly lower on your priority list. Let's say you're applying to internal medicine. In this specialty, you get 3 gold signals, 12 silver signals. So what do? You think of it like this. Your 3 gold signals should go to programs where you are very competitive. You are a strong fit. Maybe you did a clinical rotation there, or you have a connection with a faculty member, or it's your dream program and you actually have a shot. Your 12 silver signals should go to programs where you're still a good match, programs that accept international graduates, places where your profile fits their usual residents, programs you're genuinely interested in but maybe don't have a direct connection with. So in total, you're telling 15 programs, "Hey, I'm into you." But you're also telling 3 of them, "I'm really into you." Let's now talk about specialties where you just get a single group of signals. No gold, no silver. Child neurology and neurodevelopmental disabilities, 3 signals. Emergency medicine, 5 signals. Family medicine, 5 signals. General surgery, 15 signals. Yes, 15. That's a lot. So you have room to be strategic. Neurology, 8 signals. Pathology, 5 signals. Pediatrics, 5 signals. Psychiatry, 10 signals. Important for many international applicants, and 10 is a good number. Orthopedic surgery, 30 signals. That's one of the highest. Otolaryngology, or ENT, 25 signals. Radiation oncology, 4 signals. Physical medicine and rehabilitation, 8 signals. Transitional year programs, 12 signals. Thoracic surgery, 3 signals. Public health and general preventive medicine, 3 signals. And there are a few smaller specialties or combined programs that give 2 or 3 signals. Transitional year programs, 12 signals. Thoracic surgery, 3 signals. Public health and general preventive medicine, 3 signals. And there are a few smaller specialties or combined programs that give 2 or 3 signals. All right, so now that we've covered what program signaling is and how many you get, let's talk about the part that really matters. How do you use these signals effectively? Because let's be honest, just having the option to signal isn't enough. What really matters is how smartly you use them. Now remember, you only get a few signals, maybe 5, maybe 10 depending on your specialty. So every signal is precious. You want to treat them like golden tickets. You don't want to waste them. So here's how you decide where to send those signals. Step 1. Think strategy, not emotion. First, and I say this with love, don't send a signal just because you like the name of the program or because it's in your favorite city. This isn't the time to dream. It's the time to be strategic. Ask yourself, do I match what this program is looking for? Do they have a history of taking international graduates? Do they sponsor visas if I need one? Have they taken people from schools like mine before? Are my scores, experiences, and graduation year in their range? If the answer to most of these is yes, then that's a program worth signaling. Celebrate your numbers with this stats board. Showcase the information with a brief description. Use the marker function to time your animation and make each part appear when it is mentioned. To wrap things up, program signaling is one of the most valuable tools you have during the residency application season. It costs nothing extra, but it can help your application rise to the top of the pile. Save your gold signals for where they matter the most. Don't send a gold to a big-name program that never takes international graduates just because it sounds cool. Send it to a place where you have a real shot, where they might say, "Hey, we were on the fence about this applicant, but they signaled us. Let's look again." Gold is your strongest voice. A signal won't guarantee an interview, but when done smartly, it can absolutely get your application in front of the right people. And sometimes, that's all you need to move forward. If you have questions, just drop them in the comments or message us anytime. You've got this. Until next time,